Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best spy kit is probably one of the most exciting gifts you can give to a young girl. This kit is designed to ignite their imagination and transform them into secret agents. It's not just about fun, it's about fostering crucial skills like critical thinking, observation, and problem solving, all while they're immersed in a world of mystery and adventure. Get ready to explore the world of espionage. Number 5. National Geographic Science Magic Kit. This amazing kit combines the wonders of science with the excitement of magic. It allows kids to perform over 100 unique experiments and magic tricks. They'll be bending metal and making things disappear. Each experiment is designed to be performed as a magic trick. The included magic wand and white gloves let them dress the part. It's fun and educational for everyone. The kit includes all the materials needed to conduct 20 stunning science magic tricks. They can make snow appear, create square bubbles, and more. It's all about using physics and chemistry to amaze. Want more experiments? This kit includes a bonus guide with 85 plus additional experiments. They can be done with common household items. The fun never stops. This product is from Blue Marble, winner of the Toy of the Year award. They develop products that foster education, imagination, and creativity. They also have a US support team. What we like? This kit combines the fun of magic with the principles of science. It allows you to perform amazing tricks while learning about chemistry and physics. If you are looking for a gift that is both entertaining and educational, this is a great choice. It will keep them engaged and learning for hours. What people say? The kit includes a spy pen that actually works. The kit includes a fingerprint kit that works well. The kit includes a pair of binoculars that work well. Number 4. SpyX Micro Gear Set, Real Spy Toys Kit. This is the SpyX Micro Gear Set, a collection of real spy tools for kids. It includes everything your child needs to start their secret agent training. The set includes 4 cool spy gadgets: a micro ear light, an invisible ink pen, a micro motion alarm, and a micro listener. These tools will help them on their missions. It's a winner. This SpyX set was awarded Product of the Year by Creative Child magazine. It's designed for kids aged 6 and up, making it both fun and educational. With these gadgets, your junior secret agent can see in the dark, write secret messages, protect their space, and listen to conversations from a distance. They'll be ready for any challenge. The set also includes an adjustable utility belt with clips. This allows them to carry all their spy gear hands-free, so they're always prepared. Collect all 28 SpyX toys for the ultimate spy experience. It's the perfect gift for any occasion. Get ready for exciting adventures. What we like? This set provides kids with essential spy gadgets and an adjustable belt for easy access. It allows them to see in the dark, write secret messages, and protect their lair. If you like the idea of a complete, ready-to-go spy kit with a focus on practical tools, this is the one for you. It's perfect for imaginative play and secret missions. What people say? This kit is great for kids with siblings as it is great to track, warn of invading siblings and listen in on, as a spy of course, your sibling. Her favorite gadgets were the motion detector, which terrorized the dog for a couple of days until we turned it off, and the invisible ink pen. This pen has a secret compartment that kids paper for on-the-fly spy notes and a UV light to reveal the secret message you just wrote. Number 3. SuperSpies Spymaster Kit, Spy Gear for Kids. This spy kit has everything your child needs. It includes a tool belt, light-up goggles, listening devices, a motion detector, a secret spy pen, and more. They'll be ready for any mission with this complete set. This kit comes with essential surveillance gadgets. The motion detector will alert them of any intruders, and the listener device helps intercept conversations. This helps them stay ahead of their targets. The detonator disc launcher prepares kids for any situation. They can launch high-velocity discs to complete their missions. They'll be ready for any challenge that comes their way. The secret spy pen allows them to write hidden messages. The light-up mission goggles and LED lights complete the spy look. This allows them to see in the dark. The adjustable belt and agent's badge bring costumes to life. This sparks their imagination and encourages creative play. It empowers their playtime. Need help with the gadgets? The team is always here to assist. Simply reach out to customer service for expert support and guidance. What we like? This kit offers a wide array of gadgets, including a motion detector and a disc launcher. It helps them stay ahead of their targets. If you are looking for a kit that emphasizes action and surveillance, this is a great choice. It will make them feel like a real secret agent. What people say. I was surprised how well put together the kit was. It exceeded my expectations. He loves to hide the recorder and the motion detector around the house and outside. Seems to keep my 7-year-old busy for long periods of time. Number 2. SpyX Night Ranger Set. These award-winning goggles are perfect for nighttime missions. It features twin light beams and a special flip-out scope for daytime snooping. With this, you'll be ready for any mission, day or night. Secure your area with the motion alarm. It detects motion or vibration, ensuring your belongings are safe. This device will alert you to any unwanted activity, giving you peace of mind. Conceal your identity with the micro voice disguiser. You can record your voice for up to 10 seconds and play it back twisted. Use this to keep your communication secret. Write and read secret spy messages with the invisible ink pen. It includes secret message papers and a hidden storage compartment. Keep your secrets safe with this clever tool. Collect all SpyX toys for the ultimate spy play experience. Build your collection and become the ultimate secret agent. Get ready for endless fun and adventure. What we like? This set focuses on night missions and includes night vision goggles, a motion alarm, and a voice disguiser. It allows them to see in the dark and protect their secrets. If you like the idea of nighttime adventures and stealth operations, this is the perfect kit. It will enhance their spy experience. What people say. The kit includes a wide variety of gadgets, such as a fingerprint kit, a listening device, and a flashlight. The gadgets are well made and function as described. The kit is designed for kids aged 8 to 12 and is a fun way to encourage imaginative play. Number 1. National Geographic Spy Science Kit. Get ready for secret missions with this amazing kit. It has everything needed to become a real spy. This will be a fun experience. This kit includes all the tools for 10 exciting missions. It comes with an invisible ink pen, a periscope, and more. With this, they can complete all the missions. Kids can look around corners and write secret messages. They can gather intelligence and compile notes. This will be a great experience for them. This kit helps develop observation and code-breaking skills. It also teaches note-taking and organization. These skills will be helpful for them. The included guide teaches about the history of spying. It also covers the techniques used by spies. They will learn a lot from this. We are proud to make high-quality, hands-on science toys. If you're not satisfied, let us know. We will make it right for you. What we like? This kit provides everything needed to complete 10 secret missions, including an invisible ink pen and decoder wheels. It also teaches valuable skills like observation and code breaking. If you are looking for a kit that combines fun with learning and history, this is a great choice. It will provide hours of entertainment and education. What people say. Comes with all the things you would ever need for the spy kit. They loved the spy glasses too. The activities and spy gear are perfect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.